Hello everyone, this is my second video or second exercises in singly list chained. Anyway, research in list element with the most number of occurrence. Example, we have here the element with the most number of occurrence is 4. It repeated 2 times, while 1 repeated 1 time and 3 1 time. So before going to solve this or write this algorithm, we need to have a step. First one, initialisation. Anyway. If the list is empty, there is nothing to do. There's nothing to do. As what do? We have two variables. We have max. It register the number maximum of occurrence we have found. This is the number of maximum occurrence, while Vmax is the value, the element or the value, the element which have the maximum occurrence. The second one is we need to move on the list. We need to take steps. We take each element one by one with a pointer. We name it P. Third one, we need to count how many did this element occurred with another pointer Q. We need one who preserved the value, while another pointer who will run the list. We need to count did the element occurred in the list with another pointer, name it Q. The first step is we need to compare the current maximum with the current occurrence. So if we have this one repeated one time, so the max will be 1. When we move to the element, it is 4. It repeated 2 times, so we will compare 2. It is the occurrence number. We will call it OCC. If the OCC is much bigger than max, which is 1, so the new max will be OCC 2. So we will compare with the current maximum. If OCC is bigger than max, then max will be the new occurrence, and Vmax will be the value of P, because P, it is the one that will preserve the element or stock that element, while Q will run in the list. Fifth one, we will pass next element, while the sixth one will, in the end, we will repeat it. In the end, we will have Vmax. So come with me to write this algorithm. It is a function. I will name it Vmax, so it will be easy. We have L is a list. It will give us an integer. The variable, we have P and Q, which are pointers. We have max, Vmax, and OCC counter, who will count the occurrence, are integer. We will begin now. What we did, we see at the first. We will see if the list is empty. If L is nil, then we will write the list is empty. Now, what do? We put P in L. We have max, the maximum, with 0, and the Vmax also we put 0. Now the first loop, while P is not equal to nil, we start with P, because P is the one before Q, and is the one who have the value. The counter will put it 0. Always will be back to 0, because we will recount the new element. The Q at L, why? Because we have this example, 3, and at 4, here 4 will be Q at the end, and then we'll have 2 occurrence. But if we don't make Q at the head again, 4 here will be repeated once. So we will need to make Q here at the head once again, so it will recount the element that were before p, while p will be here. Anyway, the second loop will be while q is not equal to nil, do. We will do if q, the value of q is equal to p value of p, then the counter will increase. If not, we will quit this loop and q will take step forward. And then we will compare with the max. If the occurrence is much bigger than, then max will be the new occurrence and the max will be value of p. Here p will move also. Forget here, we will do end while. This will be always repeated. Sorry. At the end we will do return that function, return what? The max. This is, and we will do. Hope it was easy for you to understand it. Just redo it at home and you will know it is very easy. So see you next video. Bye.